Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin after confirming units and scale. Open units and set precision and format so dimensions read correctly. Next, enable annotative on layers or objects when you need scale-independent text and arrows. Then load or choose a dimension style with dim style. This controls text height, arrow size, and gap. Once you have those essentials in place, switch to the DIM command palette and pick a dimension type, because choosing the right tool first saves time and prevents rework. Now place dimensions with the appropriate tool: dim linear for orthogonal, dim angular for angles, and dim diameter or dim radius for circles. After placing, edit style overrides when needed. Change text height, arrow size, and baseline gaps in properties or update dim style to propagate changes. Use grips to reposition extension lines and dimed it to move text or rotate leaders. This keeps clarity and prevents overlaps. Also, set the dimension scale factor if your viewport uses different paper scaling, so annotations match the sheet. Finish by checking consistency. Set dim scale and dimulfac for uniform arrow and text sizes across viewports. Make sure annotative objects are assigned the viewport scale. Then lock or freeze layers you don't want to alter and prepare a print preview to confirm alignment. If dimensions look wrong, inspect layer visibility, verify annotative scale assignments, and compare dim style parameters. If needed, reset the dim style or purged unused styles to clear conflicts. A single reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.